Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's have a go at making this absolute show-stopping Pretty Peacock Cake. Look at that. Start with some blue fondant and use your hands to mould it like so. Then paint on some water which will act as glue to stick on white fondant. Adding an eye. This is the peacock's head. Poke a little hole in the middle of the eye and add some black fondant for the pupil. There. Now using a cocktail stick, poke 3 holes in the head and stick in your yellow feathers. There. Next, place blueberry cake on a turntable and pipe on white buttercream. Add another layer of cake and then cover the entire thing in buttercream, smoothing it out. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Slice off one side and then turn the cake around. Cover the open end with white buttercream. And we're ready to decorate. You can use a cookie cutter to make indents or a cocktail stick to mark your feathers. Then pipe on your coloured buttercream frostings. We're starting with light blue, then light green, and adding the light blue feathers in the middle. Lots of detail going on here. And you'll need a super thin piping nozzle. Now we're going for purple around the outside. Some yellow in the middle. And turquoise feathers. Very pretty. Then light green and light blue goes in between each one of those. And we're ready to stick on the head. And that's how you make a Pretty Peacock Cake. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. Go on then. Let's have a piece. Enjoy. I do love a good flamingo cake, don't you? Look at this amazing flamingo flower cake. Oh my goodness me. I can't wait to bake it with you. We start with some bright pink fondant icing for our flowers. We're using a flower cutter to cut out the shapes. 3 of those. Just perfecting them with your fingers. And using water to stick on a little ball in the middle. There you go. It's all in the finishing touches, you know. Right, when we've made a whole bunch of those, we can get our vanilla cake and layer it with light pink buttercream icing. So we're staying on the pink theme, just using different shades of the same colour. It's a great way to do it sometimes. We've got 3 layers there, and that's going to be covered in more buttercream icing. Yay! Once the surface is nice and smooth, we can pipe on some black buttercream icing for the flamingo legs, crossed over like so. Use some tweezers to just place a few pearl sprinkles around the bottom or wherever you like, really. Chuck on a few more sprinkles. Add a little bit of gold leaf. Start placing your flowers, covering nearly all of the top of the cake, except leaving out a slice segment, and then just going around the edges too. Sticking on your flamingo head. Here's one we made earlier with fondant icing. Pink and black is the theme of the day. Piling on more and more flowers. And there you have it. Flamingo with a floral body and buttercream legs. Now the difficult choice is which part to slice first. Okay, the tail it is then. Time to flamingo go!